Oh my God! Look what's coming to Festival of Wheels! Experience the ultimate thrill in the Red Dragon monster truck. Then race over to one of the 2 action arenas to see epic heart-stopping stunts, vehicle displays and so much more. There's so much for the kids to do, including dinosaurs, huge bouncy village, Robbie the Land Train, wrestling, live shows and a full circus all included in your tickets. Want more? We have loads of exciting experiences, 4x4 rides, big rig driving, mini monster trucks and a full funfair for all ages. And new this year, drive a monster truck and feel the roar. With so much to do, you'll need the whole weekend, so why not camp? Your tickets are included for both days, and there's evening fun, fair rides, entertainment, comedy show and bar, plus early entry. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself to motorshow-events.com and get your tickets now. We can't wait to see you at Festival of Wheels 2025.